What's going on, guys? Back with another video for y'all. Today I'm going to show you guys the process that I take to wash my Corvette. Alright guys, we're just going to need a few things here for this wash today. We got some wheel cleaner, some glass cleaner, some snow foam, a foam cannon, drying towel. We've got our 2 buckets back there for our 2-bucket wash method, one for the soap and one to rinse. We have a wash mitt in there. And then we can see in the back we've got some stuff to detail the wheels, to clean out the wheels. I'm not going to get into the wheels today. I've got a video on that, so please check that out. I'll show you how to get your wheels looking really good. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, as always, if you like what you saw, hit that like button, give me a subscribe, Got plenty more Corvette content coming your way. Take care and have a great day.